Hi, my name is Umesh Mehtani and I'm doing this video recorded presentation that would compare big data and the analytics that were used in past. So let's start. What is big data? Big data is a high volume, high velocity and high variety of data assets that demand cost-effective, innovative forms of information, processing for enhanced insight and decision making. So in short, big data has got a high volume and high velocity and a high variety of data that helps us to improve our process and helps us to do good decision making. Nevertheless, big data has also got some pros and cons. The pros are it saves your cost cutting, it helps to reduce time, and it also helps to develop new product. As we have got data of the old product, so we can keep it in mind and develop our new product. On the other hand, it has also got some cons. The cons are, is your data private? Is it safe and secure? And are you not being discriminated on the basis of your data? So these are some cons and pros of big data. Now let's come to the first question that is being asked in this assignment is the role of big data compared to analytics that were used in the past. So these are the role of big data compared to the analytics that are used in past. Big data analyzes bottlenecks. Bottlenecks are step-by-step analyzation. So big data does a step-by-step analyzation. It detects frauds, it detects the mistakes that are being done or the frauds or the errors in the procedure, and it helps to improve it. It does a real-time analysis. It records the data when it is done, not in the upcoming future. That is said to be real-time analysis. It does a large-scale data processing, as big data is very vast and very large. So it does a very large-scale processing of data that helps us to arrange that data. And then the big data is highly distributed in highly scaled distributed systems. Like big data is distributed into various systems that are scaled at a very higher level. So this is the role of big data compared to analytics that were used in past to help a company or an organization run in a much smoother way. And now here we come to the second part of the video, that is the key differences between big data and data analytics. Like what has changed when we jumped on from analytics used in past to big data, what has changed? These are the three key differences that have changed. That is, one is volume, velocity and variety. Volume is the size of the data, we can say, in terms of the capacity of data, like how much data is being stored. For example, Walmart records 2.5 petabytes of customer data daily. It's very huge, but it's difficult to record the same data. It was difficult in the past because we cannot do manual recording, we cannot record so much of data. Then we jump on to velocity. Velocity is the speed or the rate of the incoming data, the rate at which we receive the data in our company. That is also important. In big data, we receive our data at a very high rate, and we can also say it as a real-time analysis. As soon as we get the data, we record the data. So this is called real-time analysis. It was not possible in the past because humans have got a specific speed. We cannot compete with machines, definitely. Last but not the least, we come to variety. In big data, we get various varieties of data like GPS, mobile phones, social networking sites. Somewhere we touch on, we swap our cards. Everywhere we are giving our data to someone else, and that data is being collected by the company. And these are the varieties of data, which the way company collects the data from different sources. And previously there were very less varieties of data. So these are the differences that we have got from big data compared to the analytics in past. And now coming on to the next part of the video, that is impact of big data on decision making. How big data has affected the decision making. Big data helps to decide faster, helps us to react more flexible and earlier because we have the data. It acts not only for present but is also predictive. It predicts the future. It makes bulletproof decisions, that means safe decisions. It makes decisions on high quality databases, no doubt. It decides collaboratively, not as an individual but collaboratively, and it takes decisions out of the box. Like we have so much of data, so we can definitely take a decision go out of the box and take a nice decision for the company. So this way, big data leads to improved decision making throughout the company. Our next topic is impact of big data on measuring the performances. these are some results for business performances in the previous years. 5 to 6% has increased in the current year. 26% have increased in the past 3 years, and it is expected that it would increase to 41% in the upcoming years. We can take an example of airline, like how do we know that when is going the exact time, when is a plane taking off, when is the plane landing. This is through the combination of various data, weather reports, flying data, ground stop, takeoff, and the schedule and other factors. So this is the way how we collect all data and we can improve our performance. Airline is the best example for that. In a nutshell, big data is a combination of maybe text analytics, audio analytics, video analytics, social media analytics, and last but not the least, predictive analytics. Thank you. And these are the references that are used in this video presentation and the PowerPoint presentation, and these are also mentioned in the comment section of the Dropbox for the assignment. Thank you.